Are you somebody who has been doing everything to heal, grow, and evolve? And maybe you're starting to notice things around you that you hadn't noticed before. And that's starting to happen because the more you grow and you really open your consciousness, what starts to happen is that you become aware of the things that you hadn't been aware of before. Because before you might have been like a horse with blinders. But once those blinders come down, you're able to really see the full picture. And you're able to see things in other people that you hadn't been able to see before. So for example, maybe it's your best friends or really good friends' negativity that you start to realize that, oh my God, this person is really negative and all they do is go on and on and on. And on top of that, they have a really bad attitude. Maybe they're also somebody who likes to gossip. Once you start noticing those things, when you have this awareness, what starts to happen is that it no longer vibes with you and it's no longer acceptable. So that leaves you with two choices. The first one is to see if you can help your friend to really start to vibrate on the same level that you're now starting to vibrate at. And if you are able to do that, that is wonderful. That is a gift to your friend. But that being said, there are some people that don't want to change. And if anything, they just want to pull you down. And so if you come across that kind of person, just know that it's okay to do some spring cleaning. Sometimes it's like this, the saying of the seasons. There's a season for everything. And this also happens with relationships. And sometimes there are certain relationships that just aren't going to move any more forward. And it's better off for you to be realistic with yourself and feel comfortable to end that so that you can surround yourself with like-minded people. There's that saying that you are the equal to the 5 people that are closest to you. So my question to you is, what are the 5 people that are closest to you like? And what does that say about you? If it's not good, then maybe it's time to do some spring cleaning, and maybe it's time to start being more social, more outgoing, and find more like-minded people just like you. All right, friends, like this video? If so, then give it a like, and I look forward to chatting with you again soon.